Over here, you can see that I have a picture of some colors right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to take sample of these colors and then start drawing with that exact color. So in that case, under the expert mode in Adobe Photoshop Elements, you can see that under the draw tool right here, the color picker is an option. So here for the sample, let me just select all layers right now and select the point sample. So if I were to go around, hold Alt and use the scroll mouse button, I can zoom in right here. And if I were to take, let's say, for example, any color like this pixel color right here, that particular color is selected. And now if you were to go around and draw, let me just go around and change the size of the brush right here, then that particular color will be drawn right here just like this. So you can go around, draw out with that particular color. You can go around right here onto the color sample right here, click on another place, and that color will be sampled, as you can see, just like that. Let me just go around and zoom in right here, just like this. So right now, point sample is being used. So if I were to go to point sample and then click, then what happens is that that particular pixel is being sampled, as you can see. But if I were to go for 3x3 pixel sample right here and click, then what happens is that it takes all of these 9 pixels, that is 3x3 pixels right here, from the pixel that you selected, combines the color, and then you have that color. For 5.5, the 5x5, same thing goes around. It takes 5x5 pixels and combines the color. So if I were to go around for point sample right here and click, then you can see that the exact color is selected over here. Right now, this settings is all layer, meaning whatever you see right here, the sample is being taken right here. You can see there's green color right here. If I were to click on it, green is selected. And if I were to click over here, then brown is selected right here. But let's say I just want to take color sample from this particular layer and not this layer. Of course, you can hide it and then take a sample from there. But when you see it and you still want to take sample from this particular layer, then you can select current layer and click on the layer that you want to take the sample from, and then you can click, and what happens is that it won't take the sample from this layer, that is the layer on the top anymore, but from the layer that you selected. But if I were to click on layer 2 and click, now you can see that the sample from the top layer, the selected layer, is here, but the bottom layer sample is not taken. So that is how you can use the color picker to take samples of colors inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.